Catch the water, mastering this unique English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat unusual phrase, catch the water. This might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Catch the water is not a common phrase you'd find in everyday English. It's not an idiom or a proverb that's widely used. However, it can be understood literally, to catch or collect water, perhaps in a container or with your hands. In our exploration, we'll consider how this phrase might be used metaphorically or in specific contexts. It's important to remember that language is flexible, and phrases can take on different meanings based on the situation. In its literal sense, catch the water might be used in situations where someone is actually trying to gather or stop water from escaping, like catching rainwater in a bucket. Metaphorically, it could signify trying to capture something fleeting or handling a situation that's hard to control. For example, managing this project is like trying to catch the water. It's almost impossible to keep everything in check. Sometimes, phrases like catch the water can have specific meanings in different cultures or contexts. For instance, in a community where water scarcity is an issue, this phrase might be used more literally and frequently. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the full meaning of such phrases. While catch the water isn't a common English phrase, you can use it creatively in conversations to describe a challenging or elusive task. Here's an example. Trying to get all our family members together for a reunion is like trying to catch the water. Remember, using such phrases can add color and depth to your communication, but clarity is crucial. Always ensure your listener understands the phrase in the way you intend. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of catch the water. Remember, language is a living, evolving thing, and how we use phrases can give them unique and personal meanings. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.